I make about $2,000 per week using my own money as an options trader. What I sell is something called covered calls. I'm going to show you a little bit where you can go to learn about them for free, by the way, in a second. But the question here is, what are these premiums and how do you get them? You get the premium, you earn the premium by selling the covered call. The first thing you need to do is you need to own 100 shares of a company. So I'm just going to give you a hypothetical here. Say you buy a company that is $55 per share. You buy 100 shares. You have to have 100. That's the minimum, because every contract that you sell, every covered call contract, one contract represents or equals 100 shares. So you can't buy 25 shares and sell covered calls. You need 100. So you buy the 100 shares. You then immediately, this is what I do for income, as soon as I buy the shares, I immediately go and I sell a covered call. My goal is income. I want to make the most amount of money possible, and I generally don't really care about these companies. I want them to be assigned or called away. I want those shares to be sold. So what I do is I pick a strike price with that is $1 or 50 cents if they have that option available out of the money. So if I buy a stock at 55, I'm selling the covered call with a $56 strike price. Now, if the stock, and by the way, I sell these options to expire every Friday. So on Monday, I buy the stock, I pick the Friday expiration. So I'm just holding this trade for the week. Now, on Friday, if the stock is, say, $58, I've obligated to sell the shares to the other person on the other end of the trade at $57. The downside, this is one of the downsides, is, okay, I buy it at 55, I sell the covered call with a 56 strike, the earnings come out or some really good news comes out or something happens in the market and the stock goes to $62, what are you going to do? I agreed to sell it to that guy for 56, so it's gone. Now, it'll be sold. And there are other ways, by the way, this is more complicated, that you can buy back the contract, get out of the trade if you want to. You can roll the options contract if you want to. That's all for different videos that are in these playlists. I have 2 playlists on covered calls. But if the stock, I still make $100, right? Because I bought it at 55 and now it's being sold at 56. So I'm making money on that, but I'm also making money on the premium. The premium is, think of it like the person on the other end of the trade is saying, all right, listen, I think this stock is going to go to $62 a share. I will give you $180 as an example if you hold those shares for me, because I think that it could go to $62 or whatever I think it could go to, but I'm not sure. I don't really want to buy the stock. It's just a hunch that I have. I just have a feeling that it's going to go to this price. And if it is, I get to buy those shares from you at $56. And you can still keep the premium. So I earn the premium no matter what. I also make the money when the shares get assigned, because I bought it at 55, it's being sold at 56. So I'm also making that $1 per share or $100 in profit from that as well. So I'm making money 2 ways. If the stock doesn't go over $56, so it closes at $55.99, I get to keep my shares. I still get to keep the premium, and I can sell another covered call the following week with a $56 strike price or $57 strike price, whatever I choose. This app is called Think or Swim. It's from Charles Schwab. It's what I use to sell my covered calls. So here's an example now with HIMS. It's $42. I buy the 100 shares. It costs me $4,279. And I would pick a strike price of 43, which is right there. And I would earn $175 for selling this contract. If you want to learn more about options, all you have to do is go right there and click on the menu, which is right here, and find this guide. It is 100% free. And this is the guide. It is massive. It's about 15 pages. It's all free, and it has videos and playlists on TikTok and YouTube.